Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest exciting updates from Camp Nou, the heart of FC Barcelona. From the stands to the VIP areas, terraces, and panoramic views, we'll cover everything happening actively on site. The third tier of the stadium is almost fully complete now. Most steel brackets and support beams are carefully installed, with only one final bracket awaiting minor adjustment due to a small portal beam issue. Once finalized, this section will be fully structured and safely ready for the next construction phase. Prefabricated stands and panels are being unloaded and lifted efficiently by cranes to the lateral sections. This also includes the installation of ceramic slats for ventilation and facade areas, which have been partially installed successfully as a test. The VIP ring is now fully concreted, and the second tier is progressing very well. Formwork, reinforcement, and panels are being installed systematically and carefully. Elevator cores and stairwells are being built completely, including dedicated VIP and service elevators to ensure smooth, safe access for all visitors and staff. The parking area is advancing quickly and efficiently, with panels and supports being installed properly. The three Diamantes are almost cleared of scaffolding and old formwork. The team is also ensuring evacuation paths, emergency access, and full accessibility, preparing the stadium perfectly for fans once construction is completely finished. Workers continue assembling lateral stands carefully, checking every connection, and installing necessary structural elements professionally. Concrete pouring, panel placements, and reinforcement installation are ongoing systematically. The stadium interior is shaping up impressively, both in function and amazing aesthetics, including terraces and lounge areas. From the top, you can see the full scale, size, and magnificence of Camp Nou. The stadium's dimensions, terraces, and construction progress are truly remarkable and breathtaking. The upcoming months will focus on completing the third tier, lateral sections, and preparing everything efficiently for the official reopening soon. That's all for today's detailed Camp Nou update. If you enjoyed this inside look at Barcelona's stadium progress, make sure to like this video actively and subscribe to the channel for more interesting updates. Stay tuned, because the next phase will bring even more exciting, thrilling, and remarkable changes to this iconic stadium venue.